He makes a living unlocking lives, so many doors in tangled strife. The grinding steel rings sharp and dry, his hands like magic passing by. A wealthy girl with beauty rare asked him to open her safe with care. Many had tried but failed before. Now all her hope knocked on his door. Ooh. 5 minutes only, he calmly said, but let me work alone instead. She saw his eyes and shore, then stepped outside, a trust half made. The door closed softly, silence grew. Inside were sounds that nothing knew. She couldn't tell what fate had planned, just heard the lock like a dying man. She opened up and saw him there. The wet cloth covered his face with care. The safe was open wide and still. The letter lay upon its will. Her husband's words from days gone by. The one who lives shall be your tide. If he lives to till you die. Hey, hey, hey. He woke up slowly, she asked his feet. 2 fingers raised so quietly. She thought it was fate calling near, but he refused what she held dear. A humble way